Today I'm taking a look at the domyfan M5 dual screen laptop screen extender. So it comes with instructions. It also has a very well labeled manual for how we can set this guy up. Okay, and there it is. We got a nice carbon fiber look on that guy. And we do have a little kickstand here on the back, and it looks like we could even pull that guy off, flip that around, and attach that directly to the monitor. So if we want to, we could actually detach that entirely from our main stand, and we could use the monitor independently just with this little guy. And that does extend to give us different lengths for different viewing angles. It's a nice large display, so I am getting a little bit over 15.5 inches. And it looks like that can is also rotatable. So we got our power switch, and that is also a side-to-side toggle. We got our two Type-C ports, and then we have our mini HDMI port right there. Most of these displays come with another Type-C port, but this actually comes with a full-on mini HDMI. Another very unique thing is that we've got these ports right here, as well as one on the bottom. And that is going to be for this mount, so those will basically just slide right into this tab right here. So we can drop that in, and that will hold that in place. Just with that one tab, that can actually hold the monitor up, so no worry about that thing actually coming loose. But this is definitely the style of mount that I like. You can see we got these tabs here on the top that do have rubber protectors on there to protect the rear of the laptop, and it also closes and extends to accommodate different sizes of laptops. We've also got this tab here on the side that is a spring-loaded tab, so we can just take this, we can drop that on the rear of the laptop. These tabs are going to prevent it from sliding down too far, and then this spring-loaded tab will clip that onto our laptop so that we're holding this monitor on there firmly. So love this style of mount. Right here we have got our cables. So we have a USB-C to USB-C, and that does have that angled 90-degree bend on there, so excellent style of cable. So if your laptop supports a video out through USB, we can actually take this guy, plug that into one of these Type-C ports, and we can run this display, including the power as well as the video, just with this one cable. If your laptop does not support that, we've got this cable. This is USB-C to USB-A, so we can supply power to this display with that cable, and we can supply the video out through this cable or through this cable if you don't even have a USB-C port on your laptop. So this is an HDMI to mini HDMI, and that will plug into the HDMI port there, and then you can use the USB-C to USB-A cable supply power using one of those USB-C slots. So very nice that they gave us all those different options for putting the video to our display no matter what type of laptop we've got. This laptop is using Thunderbolt, so I'm going to use the USB-C to USB-C cable and plugging that into Type-C 1. And this is the reason that I like this style of mount so much, because we can just clip that directly onto the laptop. With a lot of other mounts, they actually sit behind the laptop, and you can see it just doesn't look quite right, even if I folded that out, and plus it gets in the way of the mouse, so I lose a lot of real estate. So having one that can actually clip onto the laptop is a very big deal for me. This is the only style that I really end up using in my day-to-day, and that is a 17-inch laptop that is a 15-inch display, and they don't actually look too awful dissimilar. I'm just going to plug that in on this side, but because this is an angled adapter, I could even plug this in on this side, push that wire out of the way, and because this wire isn't hanging straight out, I'm not going to have to worry about that getting in the way of my mouse or anything else I might have over there. So love it that we got that angled adapter. As you can see, that connected, it picked it up right away. If we right click and go to display settings, it did detect that as extended right away, so I can take my window, I can throw it over there, I can bring it back. Let's go ahead and see what these settings are. That is running at a 1920 by 1080, and that is running at 59.94 hertz. So you could definitely do even some gaming on that display, and that would not be an issue. But what's really cool about this one that makes this one stand out is the fact that we've got those other slots in there. So we've got our standard slot, we could pick it up, drop it in there, we could make it a little higher if we wanted to, or we could even flip it and run that in portrait mode. So from here, all we would do is we would take it from landscape, go to portrait, and now we can take our windows, we can throw it over there, we can still read it. If we were doing anything with text, like if you got to read really long emails, or especially if we're doing any coding or anything like that, portrait really is the way to go for that. This is really the only style of mount that I've ever seen that can mount to the laptop and that we can run in portrait mode. So if that's something you're looking for, this is really the best option for it. I want to flip this back just because I do prefer landscape. Then we can flip that back to landscape. and we are good to go. So there we go. I can do my editing over here. I can watch videos over there just to keep my mind occupied. I can play video games, watch movies. I can even take my program monitor, put that on the extra display so that I got all of this room for actually doing the editing, and I can preview it right there. Once you go dual screen, it is hard to ever go back, and having a large 15.6-inch monitor on here, especially one with all the extra bells and whistles that actually clamps onto the laptop, that is absolutely my favorite style of display. And with that, with the 60 Hertz, with the great color reproduction, the full 1920 by 1080 resolution, overall, I am very happy with that.